So we cannot rotate, guys. Mas malalim.
So, ni-rotate nila yung goma. Noon siguro.
So mas malalim pala. So the brake is still good, still thick, but I'd rather change it now. Always bring to the expert. You should have goggles.
Na.
Snap on? Snap on, right?
Yeah. No, actually it's icon.
Yeah? How, Raiko?
Icon.
Aiko?
Yeah. And the other one, yeah, snap. Yeah.
Snap on too expensive.
Yeah.
So there are 2 bolts to take out the caliper in the back. You have to try it. for the caliper. And you click. Still good or no? No more, right? It's getting there.
I can take 25%.
Yeah, 25%. It's okay. Yeah, I still have 25% left. So there's still like 25% left. So this is the old one. And this is the new one. Huh? This is the new one. I recommend that I don't have to wait until like 10% left on the pads. There we go, new life. So advice is better to do a early maintenance. Don't wait until the pass if you run out, and that will bring you more problem. You're gonna end up change the rotors, everything. And now of course I always go total farmings. He did all the maintenance for my vehicles. And the tightening for the bolt on the caliper is just like hand tight. Not too much, not too tight. There's like a rubber cover in the back, so it doesn't get rusted. Okay. The sim?
Yeah.
I think it's over there. Oh, you got it.
No, I mean the new one. Because it came with the new one.
Oh, the one that flies?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one that flies, right?
Yeah. No, I mean, sometimes came with the new one. This one with the parts. Another.
No, it did not come with it. Yeah. Because I went to BMW, so they don't include, right? Nothing?
No.
Nada. So I guess you can reuse. You think you can always ask them if you want to, right? You can always ask them.
What you want a new one?
Yeah.
No. Usually they just give you a thought
Yeah.
and they fake.
Oh. All right. So this one you have to be careful.
Yeah. Careful.
You have to try this one. Take this. Then grab. The master trace is for removing the plug again, the rubber plug. Always use the proper tools. You're not going to strip the bolts. You have to try again to loosen up. So 27 by 25 remaining. Oh yeah, plus the sensor. So make it sure if you buy the pen, you have to replace the sensor. It's very important. Alright. Then you got the. Oh, you got the sensor, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got the sensor. So basically there's only one sensor, and also in the front there's only one sensor. There's two sensors, back and front, but only one side. So the master mechanic are amazing, right? So always go to your trusted mechanic. So if you change the brakes without the sensor, it's not a good thing.
scam ka.
It's so nice to watch those master mechanic knows what they're doing. Always, you know, fun to watch them. But this kind of stuff, I recommend go to your, you know, chassis mechanic. If you live around here in Hackensack, go to Carmix. Look for master mechanic Arnel and Chris. They do all kinds of work. Porsche, Mercedes, Lamborghini.
Which one?
Lamborghini, Ferrari. Yeah. And they did a master overall engine for like old Mercedes from scratch. Look at this. High tech with magnets. That's a very long wire. So he's removing the cover section so he can remove the sensor wire. It's a tough job, guys. Go, he got it out. Sakto. See, if you got all the parts right from the beginning, everything is easy. You know? It's hidden, that's why. It's hiding there. You really have to remove everything, so it's hard.
Okay.
So when you go to the dealer, always ask for the complete kit.
Dice lo que está pasando, no sabes lo que estoy sufriendo. Esto te... Cuéntame, tu despedida para será que te y me hace
The units of lubricant is 90.
es que yo sin ti y sin mí y que la salida
Just putting back the cover. Snag it in. Let me help him. Okay. Here, flashlight here. Yep. Okay, there we go. Making sure it's gonna snag in and hear the clicks. And then you are good to go. Yep. You have to compress the piston back all the way so you can put the new pads. Otherwise, you're gonna end up fighting. You might gonna say I got the wrong pads. Right, Master Chris, it's better to like do the maintenance early, right?
Right? Yes.
Better than like 10%, 5% left.
Yep. You mess it up by about them.
Yeah, see. 25% it's okay, you know. And maybe the front it's due too later on, so it goes bad early. So he's putting everything back, he's finished the other one. And guys, if you are around in Hackensack, Maywood, around here in Bergen, I recommend Car Mix. Arnell and Master Chris, they're the one who's cleaning all my vehicles. I can do all the oil change during the summer, but not this month. Always go to the master mechanic. Now I have a brand new 2 brake pads in the back. I heard you're supposed to be off, right?
Yes.
Oh. There we go. Now he's gonna put back the sensor. There we go.
Okay.
Now it's fully secured. So magkaiba ang ano niya, Tol? Magkaiba talaga?
Hello? Paano?
Guys, car mix in Hackensack. Guys, getting the spring back. Flips. So this brake pads in the back, that will last another 5 years or 6 years. 2016. Yeah, 6 years, 7 years. Okay, so very heavy. If you take care of your vehicles, they'll take care of you. Plain and simple. Now, Sir Chris, we're gonna do the system check too, right?
What is that?
System check. What is the system check?
Just to
Like
check everything.
check everything, right? And you can just reset. You think how many more percent left in the front brakes? It's gonna do a